I believe that I am ready. Go ahead.
Okay. Hi, my name is Debbie Pearson, and I'm here at the SWIC campus, the Granite City campus, and I'm taking a welding class with Galen Cornell. She's awesome. And this is a plasma cutter, and I'm going to start cutting on here. All right, y'all ready? Here we go. Watch your eyes. Pick up the one moment. See anything. You didn't see anything? Girl, you were smoking. You were, I was like, I could feel a lot of heat. You finished?
Oh, I am.
Yeah, you are. Trust me.